Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla headlight. First, gather your essential tools, such as a screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Safety is key, so ensure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. For an extra layer of safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This simple step helps prevent electrical issues and ensures a smooth replacement process. Now that you're prepared, open the hood of your Corolla and locate the headlight assembly. You'll typically find a few clips or screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these fasteners, keeping them organized so you can easily put them back later. Once the clips and screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you clear access to the bulbs behind it, making the next steps much easier. With the headlight assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the release tab and pulling it off. Next, depending on your specific model, you'll either twist or unclip the old bulb to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by the base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. After installing the new bulb, carefully reattach the headlight assembly, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal you disconnected earlier. Before you close the hood, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You want to make sure everything is functioning as it should. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your bright new headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.